thank you so much for coming
Yes.
out. We have a few questions.
Yes.
So having spent time with us, what do you see the role of companies like Kensa in your vision for energy security in the UK?
Well, look, I'm incredibly impressed by everything that I've seen here, by the workforce, the vision, the commitment to tackling fuel poverty. I think Kensa's got a really important role to play. It's an innovative technology, but it is a crucial technology. It's absolutely part of the mix as far as I'm concerned. And if Labour is in government and I'm the Secretary of State, after July the 4th, I look forward to working with Kensa to tackle the shared goals we have, which is to tackle fuel poverty and to decarbonise our country.
Fantastic. We're a big green skills employer. What is your plans to support green skills and UK green manufacturing and energy businesses?
Well, I think that's the crucial point, isn't it, about what Kensa is doing, which is it's not just about decarbonisation and clean energy and tackling fuel poverty, it's about good jobs for people at good wages, which is really, really important to Cornwall and really important across the country. And one of the things I think we need to do as a country and as a government, if we're the government, is to actually plan for those green skills, see where the need is, make sure that we have the qualifications, but also make sure we inspire people about the possibilities. Because, you know, talking to people on your shop floor, they're obviously really enjoying what they're doing, but we need more people to know about these opportunities. Nobody really knows what a green job means, but if you're a heat pump installer or manufacturer, then you know, now you're talking, now you're making clear what it is, and we need to inspire people about that.
And how do you see the role for network heat pumps like Kensa's solution in providing affordability of bills and ease of switch for consumers?
Well, look, I'm really impressed and interested by what Kensa has told me, what you've told me about the possibilities. I'm particularly struck by the people who have got electric storage heating at the moment, and who are some of the people in the worst amount of fuel poverty actually, and the role that ground source heat pumps that companies like Kensa can provide can do in addressing that. And I think it's really, really important that we make sure this is part of the energy mix going forward. Thank you.